Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Twitter or X age verification problem. So if you keep seeing that annoying age verification pop-up even after entering your correct birth date, just follow along step by step to solve it. All right, let's dive in. Open your X app on your phone. Now, tap your profile picture in the top left corner. From the menu, tap on Profile. Next, tap Edit Profile icon in the top right. Under birth date, re-enter your date of birth, even if it's already correct. Carefully type it in again, then tap Save. Now we're going to adjust a few privacy settings. Go back to the menu and tap Settings and Support, then tap Settings and Privacy. Select Privacy and Safety, then tap Content You See. First, tap on Search Settings and turn off the option that says Hide Sensitive Content. Then go back and tap Sensitive Media and set all these options to Show All. Once that's done, go back to Settings, tap Your Account, then choose Account Information. Scroll all the way down and tap Log Out. After logging out, simply log back into your account. And that's it! The age verification issue should now be fixed, and the pop-up should stop appearing.